It's never been easier to handle and transfer cash or bulk payments respectively in businesses, especially small and medium enterprises, as well as vendors and individuals. This is risky and time-consuming if there is movement involved. Cytrone is a payments technology company, one of the fintechs enhancing financial inclusion, set to offer domestic open-loop multilateral system that facilitates electronic payments.
We're developing an open-loop multilateral payment system to help people easily move money between different financial institutions. Currently, we are working on a mobile app that will also double as a point-of-sale bill and payment system as well. With this platform, people should be able to receive money through the wallet exchanges and also through the debit and credit cards that the banks issue around the country. Within the current telco system, like I said earlier, charges are high. So since PayClide is a wallet platform, movement of money from one individual to another will not incur any costs. The only cost that we shall incur will be the cost of withdrawing to your bank. But whenever you'll be moving money to your friends, to your family members, to your parents back in the villages, all those transactions will be free of charge.
PayClide, a product of Cytrone, is helping businesses to reach more buyers and drive higher conversion with digital mobile and cross-border payments. PayClide will be launched in July 2020.
Currently, PayClide is solving the issues of travel constraints to financial institutions, high charges of movement of funds from one institution to another, and also security and financial inclusion in general. PayClide is basically a mobile app where someone can send money to friends and family and also pay different merchants from different locations from wherever they are. Basically, a user just has to download the mobile app, sign up with just the mobile phone number or email address, and they can always credit their wallet from money from their mobile wallets to their bank accounts, with them not moving. They don't have to move around to these places. So when someone is seated in one location, they can credit their wallets, they can withdraw funds to the bank, and they can send money to friends and family at no charge.
PayClide helps women transfer any amounts of money and keeping women at their business stores as their cash transactions happen.
Having basic financial inclusion knowledge is one way to thrive within an economy. Currently, our women have been left back. Very few are banked. You'll find that 1 out of every 4 women is banked and the rest are unbanked. Where PayClide is going to help out is that these people can be able to save their monies without necessarily moving from their stalls. They will be able to move their money without having to go physically to the bank locations. This will save them of the transport costs they incur while traveling there. This will save them of the insecurity they have while they're moving with money. This will also make life easier for them. They won't miss out on the people who are coming in to buy while they're in the bank depositing funds. So once they do everything from their locations, it will save them time and it will give them more savings on their earnings.
After an introduction to Moduloop software, Bob Oyuru, CEO Cytrone, thinks Moduloop adoption will improve their operations.
Moduloop is a fascinating product. It's something that we needed to have a couple of years back. With the different connectivity of the financial institutions, Yeah, there are always challenges of startups getting to integrate. But once these financial institutions are already connected to Mojalop, all PayCloud will need is a single API link that will integrate throughout. And this will save us a lot of hard work on coming up with these partnerships.
The 40 Days 40 Fintechs project is organized by High People and it includes Everyone program in partnership with Crosslake Tech, Modus Box and Mojalop Foundation.
We've had an amazing engagement and discussion with Cytrone, a company that is working on a product called PayCloud. It's amazing how they're thinking about the merchant environment and creating a payment solution that allows for the users of the solution to actually have a free P2P transaction any day, any time. As we speak of the depth of financial inclusion, we also have to speak about making sure we keep money into a digital ecosystem. So as we speak about all the different players and contributors, the DFSPs, the FSPs, the RSPs, the DRSPs, and all that, we are supposed to be understanding and breaking down the money into making sure all payments, no matter how micro they are, actually kept on the ecosystem. That way we're able to teach the users on how to actually keep money banked and make more use of it. Secondly, we keep money more safely because we are sure it is in one ecosystem, in one wallet, and we can access it anytime. By so doing, we are helping to save time, first of all, because digital financial services have been proved to have a time-saving capacity any day, any time. And then secondly, we're able to save life. Like you've seen before, this year in April, High People published a life-saving capacity of digital financial services report. And it speaks to making sure people make more use of digital financial services to avoid contracting infections like the COVID that has been affecting us right now.
Today has been the 11th day of the 40 Days 40 Fintechs project. Rita Kawanyaro, Smart 24.